Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is RAFTHELSA's Vlogs. Before anything else, I would like to thank everyone for supporting my channel. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for always watching my new videos and my travel vlogs and also my cooking and DIY tutorials. So today's video, I'm going to show you the costume or the attire for the Halloween day. Okay, everywhere, everyone is celebrating the All Souls Day or the Halloween day. It is a special day wherein the people everywhere is remembering their loved ones, especially those who are departed loved ones. So this is a special day, All Souls Day. But the first day of November, that is the All Saints Day and the All Souls Day in the following day. So I'm going to show you how to create a costume for the Halloween Halloween day or for the Halloween party. Okay, so this is my attire. Look at this. This is my props. This is just a curtain, white curtain. Okay, I just uh, put in my head like this. Look, this is a curtain, and I just do it like that and put a pin here, and I am using this eyeglass. Okay, so this is the Halloween lady, and I have here the lace. I'm going to put here on my head. This is just a funny, crazy Halloween attire. Para siyang mangkukulam. So look guys, so this is a very easy props, and I have here the gloves. This is not intended to scare you, but this is just on how to create your costume for the Halloween if you have a Halloween party. So this is very simple. Just use your gloves. Look at this. And you have, this is a lace. Just put around in your head. And then the next, look, I am going to wear another eyeglass. Look. And I'm going to remove my lace on my head, and I have here this hairband, or this is the crown. Look, then I will remove my gloves. Look, it's red, it's funky. Then the next, I'm going to remove this one, so I'm going to change my costume. Okay, another one. So I am going to remove this. I have here the towel, so I'm going to use this one on my back. I have here this eyebrow. I just put like this in my eyes, and look at my eyebrow. I just do it like pointed like that. Okay, then I put a lipstick here, red lipstick, and I will put a cross here. Okay, I'll just make just a line. And now I'm going to put my hair like that. Look, just put your clumps here and you can do it like that, okay? So look at my hair, just like a punky. I'm going to wear my scarf, my mascara, look. But before I'm going to wear this sunglasses, then I'm going to look and look at this. So I'm going to put this on my head, look. And I have this clip I put here. And I'm going to wear my mascara. So look at, guys. It's like a witch. So I'm going to wear the gloves. Look. It's just like a witch. Everyone is wearing this costume. This is popularly, this is a very popular costume, the witch costume, like this. Then I'm going to put a crown here on my head. So guys, I hope you like this tutorial on how to create your attire for the Halloween party. Just give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you'll be updated with all my videos. Look. So very weird and very funny. A very weird costume. And I will also put this one. So look. A Dracula, look at this. It's very funny. I just removed my teeth. So this is just a very funny and crazy Halloween costume. I hope you like this video. So please give a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share this video. This is just a very funny tutorial for making a simple costume for the Halloween day or All Souls Day. This is a very easy costume, and look at this. Look at my hair. Okay, look. This is a very funny tutorial. So thank you so much for watching, and see you again in my next vlog. Happy Halloween day to everyone, to all my YouTube channel, YouTube family. This is my Halloween special